Okay, today we are going to start with the very important practical aspective topic, that is blast furnace. First of all, everybody should know that what for blast furnace is used. Blast furnace is used for the reduction. Blast furnace is used for the reduction of the iron ores. Any type of iron ore, let it be Fe2O3, let it be Fe3O4, let it be FeO, any type of iron ore can be reduced into iron. Okay, as we are getting the iron in the molten form, as we are getting the iron in which form? Molten form. So in any procedure, if we get the metal in the molten form, then it is called as smelting. What it is called as? Smelting means obtaining the metal after reduction in the molten form, then it is called as a smelting. Here we are getting the iron in the form of the molten iron. Okay, hence it is considered as a smelting. So first of all, this is the cup and cone arrangement. What it is? Cup and cone arrangement. Cup and cone arrangement, there was a question, what is the use of cup and cone arrangement? Okay, so in this, actually what happens, when you are putting the charge means it is not positive negative charge. Okay, charge is a mixture of three things. Mixture of how many things? Three things. First major part is the 8 part of ore. How many parts of ore? 8 part of ore. And 4 part of coke. 4 part of coke. Coke is used as a reducing agent here. And limestone 1 part. The ratio of these three elements, these three compounds, ore, coke, as well as limestone, and all of them are purpose is very different. Ore is the substance which will give you the metal, and coke is the substance which will act as a reducing agent, and limestone is the substance which will act as a flux. What is flux? Flux is a substance which will eliminate the gong in the form of slag. Flux is a substance which combine with the flux will combine with the gong to form a, not fuel, it is flux, flux, flux. Okay, flux is a substance which combine with the gong. I am writing here spelling flux, flux plus gong, GANGUE, gong. Flux plus gong, both will combine to form a non-fusible. Non-fusible means it will float over the liquid. Okay, float over the liquid. That resulting formation is called as a slag. What it is called as? Slag. Like iron ore will contain a gong as SiO2. In this one, what is the gong? SiO2. And what we are adding? Limestone. Okay, limestone will give you the CaCO3. Actually, CaCO3 will produce CO2. CaCO3 will produce what? CO2. Okay, so see here, direction also very much important. So CaCO2 we are adding, but as a flux which is added, which is used, CaO. CaO from the limestone and gong impurity from the ore will combine with each other to form a infusible impurity, CaSiO3. That is the slag. Okay, what is slag? Is it understood? Any doubt about it? Okay, there is no doubt in this one. Flux plus gong will give you the slag. Okay, so this limestone, what is the purpose? And 4 parts of coke, is it understood? Now there is a misconception in the students about this. If they are asking what is the reducing agent, they are writing coke, but not coke. Actually, we are adding coke as a reducing agent, but it is not working as in the same form. First of all, it is converted into carbon monoxide. Okay, see here from the top, what we are giving? Carbon is coming from the top, and from here this is called as a hot air tire. What they are called as? Hot air tire. So from here we are sending the oxygen. Okay, so this CO2 and here CaCO3. It will decompose to give CO2. Okay, CaCO3 will decompose. CaCO3 will decompose to give you what? CO2. So this CO2, this C and O, O2. O2 from the hot air, limestone giving the carbon dioxide, coke is added. Three things are combining. How many things are combining? Okay, very good. Good question. That is also I am going to answer now. So here hot air tire is only the thing which is used to maintain this much temperature. See here, higher temperature is at the lower part. As we move away, temperature is keep on decreasing because the reduction is carried out. Okay, in the top place, reduction is carried out. See here. And here at the bottom, combustion, oxidation. Always you should remember the oxidation or combustion is exothermic reaction. Okay, so that will produce a high amount of heat. So that is reflected here 1600 Kelvin to 2000 degrees, sorry, 1600 to 2000 degree Celsius. Okay, why so much of temperature? Because of the combustion. What is undergoing combustion? C plus O2 will give you the CO2. This is the complete combustion. Okay, so this will keep the entire furnace hot. Okay, but that hotness will keep on decreasing. See here 1600 to 1200, 1200 to 800, 800 to 200, like that it is keep on decreasing or not. So that decremental is because of the reduction. Here what happens, whatever the CO2 formed, that CO2 will react with the charge containing coke, CO2 plus C. What it will give you? Carbon monoxide. That carbon monoxide is acting as a reducing agent, not carbon. Even though we are adding the carbon, but it is not directly reducing the iron oxide. Iron oxide is reduced by the carbon monoxide. Okay, so technically speaking, reducing agent actually working is carbon monoxide, but we added is coke. Is it understood? Difference between who is working and who is being projected. Okay, most of the places it happens same way only. Somebody work, but everybody know that he is working, some different person will be working, like that everybody think that coke is a reducing agent, but actual person behind the screen, who is that? Carbon monoxide. Why it is that? Is it understood? So that reaction is used in explaining the temperature variation also. That reaction is used in explaining the hotness maintained in this complete blast furnace also. Okay. Now, while adding the charge, this hotness should not go out. Hot air should not escape. For that, a special arrangement is made. That special arrangement name itself is called as cup and cone arrangement. What is the speciality of cup and cone arrangement? Cup and cone arrangement is specially designed to avoid escape of hot air gases and valuable material during adding the charge to the blast furnace. During adding the charge to the blast furnace, what should not escape? Hot air gases should not escape, so that temperature should not go waste. Second thing, valuable material like calcium carbonate, our ore should not be lost along with the hot air. So all this is maintained intact by the cup and cone arrangement. This is the advantage of cup and cone arrangement. Okay. Now let us see one by one. There are this total for the chemical purpose. This total blast furnace is divided into how many zones? Four zones. Okay. First one is reduction zone. Second one is heat absorption zone. Third one is fusion zone. Fourth one is combustion zone. Even you wanted, then this is also sometimes in some places it is written as a slag formation zone. What zone it is written? To show the additional thing, this is called as a slag formation zone. How the slag formed, it is understood now. So there is one of the advantage of slag formation also. Okay, so iron will be collected here. See, the slag, I think now I will erase this one. So this is the reaction carried out and this is the slag. Slag is a infusible floating material. Okay. What is the floating material? This floating material is calcium silicate, CaSiO3. Here what we will get? Fe. So if see hot air is coming like this, if this protective layer is not there, again this oxygen may combine with this iron, again we will get back our Fe2O3. Okay, so to avoid that, this will act as a protective material. Slag, even though it is a waste material, okay, and not waste material, the first advantage of slag is it protect the reconversion of iron back into the iron oxide by protecting it reaction with the oxygen. And slag is also further used in many fertilizers also. Okay, where it is used in fertilizers also, slag is used. Here it is a waste material, additional material, but it finds use in practical life in many ways. Okay, so I will give you one by one reaction, one by one, the reduction zone reaction, heat of adsorption reaction, slag formation reaction already I have given, combustion zone and fusion zone reaction I will give it to you. Is it understood? So main portion, the working and construction I already have given you, only reaction part it is left over. Is it understood? So I will dictate you or I will write it over here, the reactions occurring in the blast furnace. Okay. Okay, this is the reaction version of the blast furnace with the diagram and with the procedure we have studied. As I told you, there are 4 zones specially. Apart from the which zone? Apart from the slag formation zone, there are 4 other zones: combustion zone, fusion zone, and zone of adsorption and reduction zone. So nothing is outside, everything is inside the name itself. Okay. So first thing is combustion zone. In the combustion zone, the charge from the coke from the charge and oxygen from the hot air will combine with each other. First, it may form carbon monoxide. Okay, what it will form? Carbon plus oxygen will give you the carbon monoxide. Sometimes, if it gets, this is called as a partial combustion. Okay, where amount of carbon is more and amount of oxygen required is less. But if it gets the sufficient oxygen, it may result in formation of carbon dioxide. When you see the heat side, the heat liberated in this will be greater than the heat liberated in this. Is it understood? So heat liberated in this step is more as in this step is less as compared to this one, because of the partial combustion less heat, because of the complete combustion more heat. Okay, so that heat is used to maintain the high temperature. But fusion zone, see that carbon monoxide is formed from the top, and at the same time iron Fe3O4, FeO, Fe2O3 also dropped from the top. So iron is formed from the top only. Iron is from where? In the top only the iron will be formed in the upper zone. But as it trickles down, what down? Trickles down or drop down, then temperature is being increased slowly. So once temperature is increased slowly, then it start melting at high temperature. The area, the place where the iron is melted, the iron is melted is called as a fusion. Fusion means conversion of a solid into liquid. So the fusion zone is the place where iron will be molten. Iron will be converted into molten form from the solid form. Okay. Then zone of absorption. Absorption means absorbing the heat. Okay. So here heat was liberated. Here heat will be absorbed. So where will be the heat absorbed? Wherever there is a reduction. See here, 2 moles of CO2 is reduced to carbon monoxide. Okay, by combining with the carbon coke of the charge. Same way MnO is, if there any impurity is there, then that reacts with the coke to form again manganese reduced, silicon reduced, Ca3PO4 decomposed. All these reactions are endothermic reaction. What reaction? Endothermic reaction. endothermic reaction will absorb the heat and reduce the temperature. This is what the zone which reduces, which is responsible for decreasing the temperature from top to bottom, sorry, bottom to top. Okay. Next to the entire purpose of this blast furnace is this zone, reduction zone. Okay, here we are here to reduce the oxides of iron. Okay, so what type of oxides are there? There are two types of oxides. Okay, Fe2O3 and FeO. Actually we will write it as a Fe3O4. Fe3O4 is a mixture of what? FeO and Fe2O3. Mixture of what? FeO and Fe3O4. Okay. See, when you add both of them, you will get the same or not? 3 moles of Fe, 4 moles of oxygen, Fe3O4. So, see, Fe2O3 is first red, actually highest oxidation number is here, +3. Here it is how much? +2. And here it is between these two, +8/3. Okay, so +8/3 is average of the +2 into 1 +3 into 2 divided by 3, that is +8/3. So likewise, finally what you will get? Molten iron, which will be in which form? When it is reduced, it will be in the solid form only, but after that it will be molten as it drop down. So we will get the iron. Okay, is it understood? Now this iron we obtained here may be impure form. There are how many form of iron? 3 form of iron: cast iron, pig iron and steel. Okay. What iron? Irons are divided into 3 different forms. What is the percentage? There are lot of questions. What is the different forms of iron? Which is the purest form? And what is the advantage of this form? Every form got its own advantage. Like steel. Steel is added with the fixed amount of the carbon so that hardness can be improved. Okay. Likewise, that all the different forms of iron you have to go through for the better score in the examination. Okay.